sewer camera inspection at 311 West Jeanette Lane. We've got two plumbing cleanouts here in the front yard. Going to go down one to the east first. These pipes crisscross underground. Just a little bit of debris in the pipe there. Likely will flush down the line with just a little bit of water. So this is a new build. I'm really just checking for installation errors, any cracks in the pipe from people driving over this pipe during construction or anything like that. And this is where the sewer line drops into the city connection. That green pipe right there is the city connection. So it's only 20 feet from the cleanouts in the front yard. The pipe is clean, looks to be in good condition. Don't see any installation issues. I'm checking for cracks along the joints, open joints, cracks in the middle of the pipe, bellies, anything that might cause any problems down the road. And what we're going to do now is put the camera down the other hole and go underneath the house. So these cleanouts are really useful if you have any backups in your house. The plumbers can come in and get access to your drain system this way. And that just looks like a rock or something that fell down the cleanouts here. So that's the other hole we're going to go down to now and go out the other way. Yeah, there is a little bit more debris in the pipe here that hasn't been flushed out. Actually, that's rocks. Those are gravel, pieces of gravel. And we've got more crud, more rocks, more debris in the line. This is 35 feet from the main plumbing cleanout in the front, so this is underneath the house. And we have some more building materials, waste products, rocks, debris. Should be flushed out the pipe. That's loose material. A good flush might push it down, but there is getting to be an excess amount of rocks. You know, that's a good few handfuls of stones in the drain pipe, and if you can't get those to move out of the way, it's going to collect toilet paper and everything else that gets flushed down the toilet or the drains and cause a problem. This white right here is paint. Everything on the bottom of this pipe is paint that's been washed through the pipe and dried to the drain line. And that's the end of the line. I don't see any major issues, but you do have some stones in the line. Somebody definitely flushed some paint on the drain here at the far end. See all these white marks. It's construction debris that was flushed down the drain pipe. And if that wasn't fully cleaned out, some of those rocks might be stuck in that paint if it dries up. Paint goes on wet, but it dries and then it gets hard. So if this paint in the line was wet when the rocks were there, the rocks could get stuck to it. You can see just how much paint is on the bottom of the pipe there. Some of the rocks, about 44 feet, 45 feet. Some more of those rocks. That's getting to be a little bit much. We want to make sure that this gets out of the drain pipe. See the white marks on the side of the pipe here as well. Got to get these builders quit flushing paint down the drains. If you have any questions about the sewer camera inspection, get a hold of me, Home Inspector Dan with Property Inspections Plus. I'm working with Nick Alati and Alati Inspection Service.